Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Pradeep and I am the co-founder of Fashion Chain, which is an innovative and creative fashion startup. We are offering a range of innovative and creative services and products for fashion designers and luxury brands around the world. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the different products and services at Fashion Chain. So let's start. We are a group of energetic and creative consultants with years of experience in specific areas, and we are trying to solve the challenges faced by entrepreneurs, founders of startups, accelerators, and corporates in United Kingdom, um, multiple cities in Europe, in India, and in US. What we do, we specialize in fashion events, brand activations, fashion consulting, investment consulting, personal branding, creative content creation, and product sourcing. This is specifically targeted for fashion designers and luxury brands, and we bring several years of experience in these areas. Our primary focus is in fashion, luxury branding, events, and other creative industries. Our work culture is very creative, flexible, and modern. We have adopted a customer first approach while deriving creative solutions and deliverables. Because we believe that in the end, what matters is you, the customer, and what you really require. So we focus all of our products and services in such a way that it solves the current challenges that you are facing within specific industry domains. Our team consists of three people primarily. Ingrida Ilgain is a fashion influencer, stylist, makeup artist, and international model. She has participated in many popular fashion weeks like New York Fashion Week, the London Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, Tiffany's Fashion Week, and many other fashion shows. So she brings many years of experience in styling, dressing, makeup, and modeling. So she's offering all these services at Fashion Chain. I am an entrepreneur. I bring several years of experience in investment consulting and event planning. So I have worked with many big brands and top organizations, helping them to innovate their business models and build a scalable, sustainable, and profitable company. I've also organized events at different companies and organizations around the world, which includes United States, United Kingdom, and in India. Vinal Castellino, she is a personal branding expert. She also provides executive coaching and image consulting for startups, for corporates, for individuals as well. So that's about our team. Let's move on to our capabilities. So, broadly speaking, we have five different unique capabilities. Investment consulting is the first step while launching any new company or any product or service for your fashion startup is to design an innovative business model. This also applies for an existing business. So for instance, if you already have a fashion brand, if you have a collection in place and you are trying to sell it to your prospective customers, it's very important that you have a very innovative business model, because given the kind of competition that's there in the current market, it's simply impossible to sell your the latest designs and collections to your customers without having a proper thought out business model in place. So as part of this, it's also important for you to write a clearly written business plan and a pitch deck in case if you are trying to raise funds from investors. These funds may be to grow your business, or it could be for expansion purpose. In any case, it's important that you have a clearly written business model, business plan, and a pitch deck. So that's an area which we have the expertise and experience in. Next comes personal branding. So, whether you are an entrepreneur, a founder of a startup, or an executive at corporate, communication is very important. And one important quality that is very critical or crucial for running your business is personal branding. And we specialize in this area. Product sourcing. We know that after COVID, the supply chain of fashion industry it's changed a lot. It has been disrupted. What used to work pre-COVID is no more applicable now. It's a big challenge for fashion designers and also luxury brands. So we specialize in this particular area. We have a network of garment factories, manufacturers, merchandisers, wholesalers, and distributors of luxury fashion brands around the world. And in case if you are looking to convert your creative designs into actual products, then you could always contact us. The minimum order quantity could be as less as say 100 units, or it could go up maybe thousands of apparels that you want to, or the products that you want to get manufactured. So this is an area where we can help you. We also have a robust e-commerce platform where you can list all your latest luxury products and collections, and we will help you to seamlessly, find customers and make a sale of those products. Creative contents is another area which is very crucial for fashion designers and luxury brands, especially if you are launching a new collection or if you have an upcoming event. Then it's important that you have the creative contents really well done. It should not only look good, but it should also align with the goals and the motivations behind the collection or the product that you have created. So we can help you to create a range of different contents, which I'm going to go through later in this video. Apart from this, the most important service that we are offering is fashion services. This includes styling, makeup, dressing, modeling, and also event planning. So you might be in London, you might be in Amsterdam, you might be in Ireland, or you might be in Mumbai or in Bangalore, any city for that matter. If you have any requirements for organizing an event, whether it is a virtual format or whether it is an in-person event, then we'll be able to help you. Apart from this, if you have any upcoming shows or any kind of virtual event for which you require our help to provide makeup and dressing services, then Ingrida is always available to help you with that. So this is an area where we specialize and where we have the experience in. Let's look at the range of fashion services that we're offering. Styling, makeup, and modeling. Ingrida is a private consultant. She's a stylish makeup artist and professional international model. She'll help you to analyze your hair color, skin tone, suitable makeup, body shape, lifestyle, and personality in order to perfectly understand your style and what would suit you the best. So she brings a total of 10 years of modeling experience, and she can provide experience service for fashion shows, catwalks, commercials, and editorial photo shoots. Fashion events and brand activations is something where we bring many years of experience and skills. So we bring several years of top-notch experience and skills in planning all types of events, be it a fashion show, brand activation, or any other type of event. We provide end-to-end planning, production from concept development, venue design, technical production, marketing, PR, creative direction until the successful execution of the event. Let's look at the range of product sourcing that we are offering. Product manufacturing is an area where we have a network of top quality fashion manufacturers. This could be fabric or this could be end product manufacturers. We have a network of partners who are based in Bangladesh, in India, in China, and also in parts of Europe, such as Portugal. And depending on your requirements, we'll be able to, source the right kind of product manufacturer, connect you to them, and then get your products manufactured as per your requirements. Luxury brand merchandising is another area where we specialize in. We work with luxury brand distributors and wholesalers that sell or buy products in bulk quantities. So products include footwear, watches, jewelry, and apparels across genders and age groups of top tier brands such as Louis Vuitton, it could be Chanel, it could be Prada, and more. Originality and best rates are guaranteed. Product sales. We assist fashion designers and luxury brands with marketing and sales across continents to reach their target customers. In particular, right now, we are very proud to have launched a very innovative and creative e-commerce platform through which you will be able to list all your latest collections and products on our site, and we help you to make a sale of these products. It's a robust platform on which you'll be able to publish, high quality images, photographs, and also in detail about each of these products. We also provide some amount of social media marketing in order to create awareness about your brand and the latest collections. Let's look at the creative content services that we are offering. You might have requirement to design a custom logo or some kind of social media banner. It could be for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other similar channels. You might require a brochure which you want to display or present it to your prospective customer or your investor, and also really high quality diagrams which display, it could display process within your fashion manufacturing um, uh, process. So you can get a beautifully designed logo, social media banner such as flyer, banner, images, well presented brochures, and crisp looking diagrams from us. We primarily use Canva and Lucid Charts for these creatives. Custom pitch deck templates is another area where we'll be able to help you. It could be, for an event, or it could be for your collection launch, or it could be for some other internal purpose. We specialize in creating really high quality custom pitch deck, which not only look good, but it also conveys the message that you are trying to convey to the target audience. So this again, we can create these templates using Canva, Keynote, PowerPoint, and Google Slides. Blogs and video logs. This is another area where we'll be able to help you write really creative blogs and produce video blogs which look good and which also convey the message that you are trying to convey to your target audience. Let's look at the different services within the investment consulting um, specialty capability. So, like I said before, business model innovation has become very important for fashion designers and brands. And now with the COVID pandemic and the aftermath, it's become even more important for brands to become sustainable, eco-friendly, and adopt circular business models. So I specialize in business model innovation. I bring several years of experience in business model innovation. I worked with small startups to big organizations, and I have developed a really pragmatic, scalable, and profitable business model. So we design practical business models which are innovative, scalable, sustainable, and profitable. And this is based on several years of experience. We apply the latest lean frameworks that are applicable for business models. We also apply design thinking methodologies, and we perform deep market research in order to understand your competitors before we come up with the business model design. Business plans are documents. It could range from 10, anywhere from 10 pages to up to 40 pages. 40 page is the standard. And this is really important if you are planning to explain your business model and your business in detail. This could be to your customers, or it could be for your internal employees, or it could be to your investors. In any case, writing a clear and concise business plan is very important. Here again, we bring several years of experience with deep market research and analysis, and also writing really top quality business plans. In fact, after this presentation, I'm going to provide links to our portfolio, sample portfolio, which you can have a look at. Larger plans are also possible, especially for corporates, and this could be, this could range from 100 pages to thousands of pages. That's also something which we offer to corporates. Pitch decks, like I said in the previous presentation slide, we have the experience of designing beautiful pitch decks. It's clearly written, and in this particular case, if you are pitching it to your investors, then we explain your new business or idea or existing business in a very clear and concise manner. This will be useful for client presentations, investor demo days, for fundraising, or any other presentation purpose. And we primarily use tools like Keynote, Adobe Photoshop, PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Canva during the design process. The number of slides can range anywhere from 11 to 30 slides, but for startups, we recommend 11 slides. Larger decks can be designed for corporate clients. And these are the type of business plans that we are offering. Lean business plans are usually up to 10 pages long, and it can cover the following topics. It could be related to your company's operations. So this 10 page will, in a very clear and concise manner, explain the operations of your company. Annual reviews, everyone knows that annual review is important, where you are trying to bring in all your stakeholders to one platform, and you are briefing them about your annual review. Project or business feasibility plan, business growth or expansion. Product or MVP. MVP is nothing but product prototype strategy. So we can write lean plans for all these requirements. We also write comprehensive plans. These are up to 40 pages, which is the standard for any business plan. And standard business plans and startup business plans are particularly applicable for small companies and mid-level companies who are trying to raise funds from investors. Immigration or founder visa is for founders who are trying to apply for an immigration visa. It could be for the United Kingdom startup visa, or it could be for some US related business visa. So in those cases, the format of the business plan is very different compared to traditional business plans, in that they are looking for certain specific parameters before they can decide whether to offer you the visa or not. This includes what's the impact on the economy of starting your business. That's one of the parameters. So we specialize in writing, immigration and founder visa business plans. The next one, it could be business growth or expansion plan. It could be a strategy plan. So this again, we can write a 40-page plan, which will very clearly note down what's your strategy for, let's say, for 5 years or 10 years down the line. So that's an area where we specialize in. Now, if you are running a fashion business, everybody knows how important supply chain and logistics is within the fashion industry. So you may have the requirement that you may have to explain your supply chain and logistics to your partners, to your customers, or even to prospective investors. There again, we recommend writing a 40-page business plan. Grant non-profit plans, fashion designer, fashion supply chain, fashion range plans. Again, these are the different plans where it's important for fashion designers and luxury brands, and we specialize in all these plans. Um, Apart from the lean plans and the comprehensive plans, you may have this come across this requirement to just briefly summarize your business. It could be a 1 or 3 page executive summary. It could be a very brief business proposal. It could be a contract, or it could be a roadmap. So again, these are the different kind of business plans and business writing services where we specialize in. We bring several years of experience writing different types of business plans, doing in-depth market research across countries like the United Kingdom, cities across Europe, United States, and India. Let's look at the different services within personal branding. So we are offering personal branding for entrepreneurs and startups at different stages. So this will be in the form of 1:1 coaching on in person, and or it could be virtual. And we basically coach on appearance, behavior, communication, digital footprint, and etiquette to help you be the face of your brand and reflect it in the best way possible. If you are at a big company or a mid-level company, and you want certain skill sets such as image consulting, personal branding, to be taught to your employees, then we can provide those services as well. Now, if you are an executive, you are the face of the company, and you will be primarily communicating with your target customers. Then it's very important to fine tune or polish your personal branding skills. So these are some of the services that we are offering as part of personal branding at Fashion Chain. So let me tell you how we are different compared to our competitors, because there are a couple of other companies which also offer fashion services and consulting services like us. But I just wanted to tell you guys how we are different. The first one from the top and in clockwise direction, we offer only top quality service and products, because we believe in delivering top quality products and services to our clients. Each member of this group, Inbrida, myself, and Vinal, we bring several years of experience working with a range of top quality clients and a proven track record of top quality work. So we also believe that top quality is important for our clients, because it's like a cycle where if they are offering top quality service to their clients, then it's always good to grow the business. And so it's important that quality is maintained. The next one is skills and experience. We are highly experienced freelancers equipped with the latest design framework, skills, software tools, ideas, and creativity. We are very creative, and when we come across a project, we work as a team. We brainstorm. We come up with different ideas to solve our customers' challenges, and then and only then we come up with the solution which is very pragmatic, which is applicable in real world, and which can really solve our customers problems. We have worked with top quality clients in India, in US, in UK, in Europe, Australia, and other countries around the world. Capacity and speed. So we have the capacity to deliver product services in bulk. So let's say, for instance, if you look at our pitch deck service or the business plan service, if you at a given point in time, if you have the requirement to develop, let's say 10 or 20 business plans within a span of a month or maybe half a month, that's something which we are able to offer. And that's possible because of the lean structure of our team. We work as a group, as a company, but yet we are working like freelancers, and so it becomes very flexible. And also because we bring several years of experience, it doesn't take us a lot of time to develop all these products and services. So capacity and speed is definitely one big value proposition compared to our competitors. We are very reliable, and you can rely on us 100% for our work order requirements, be it delivery timelines, be it the quality of work. As a group of freelancers, we place top value on reliability and trustworthiness of our clients. Competitive pricing. Everybody knows that pricing is also an important factor when somebody is trying to purchase services or products. Here's our assurance that the pricing that we are offering to our customer, it is very much proportional to the experience, to the skills and the educational background that each of us team members bring to the group. And so, due to the lean structure of our team and our business model, we offer competitive pricing on our product services, which is not possible through our competitor agencies or companies. We are end to end, which means that if you are a fashion designer and or luxury brand, and you require certain services and products, we have everything you require end to end. So we are a one-stop solution for all your contents and presentations required while launching a new business or while growing or expanding your existing business. From business models, business plans, presentation documents, creative contents to personal branding, we cover pretty much all the important steps required for running your fashion business or your luxury brand successfully. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any specific requirements for any services or any products or e-commerce requirements that we discussed in this presentation, please feel free to contact us info@fashionchain.info. That's